Hey everyone, welcome to this week's plan with me. So I got a new background. If you guys can see, it's actually like double-sided. I'll try to match the kits to the backgrounds, but I'll link them down below. They're just like a desk mat. I use a white one normally for like pictures and things, but yeah, this one's double-sided and it goes into like mauve color. Like if I turn it over, and then there's like a blue one and it goes into like a sea foam. I'll link them down in the Amazon thing. I think they'll be in my shop or YouTube things. Anyway, I grabbed the sampler kit from Lexi Kylie. This is super old, I'm pretty sure. Might as well use the stickers that I have. I've been trying to kind of use the stickers that I keep finding around that I was like saving, but you know what? They just need to get used. And then also I have, okay, this is really hard. Okay, there we go. It was not focusing. This like super skinny like bow washi from Simply Gilded, just because it's purple and I never use the dark colors. Okay, so it is doodle release week and there's so much to do. I set the goal for myself to just have at least 30 new sheets for April 1st. I think I mentioned that in a different plan with me. Like I wanted to do at least 30. By the way, at the point of this voiceover, there are about 50 things or more designed, but I have to narrow those down to make the releases like kind of make sense for samplers and like individual sheets, because I did want to add samplers. I know some people were like, I really want this sheet, but I don't need this many like stickers, and I get that. So I wanted to add samplers to the sheets, and that way you guys could just get the sampler if you wanted, or if you needed more of a specific sheet, you could get more. And then some of them are drawn, but I haven't like made the sheet into a different color palette. So, like I draw one and then I have to make them into like all the different colors. So that just comes down to time on my end. And also, I want to add the neutral palettes sometime this month, or I guess April. The teeny doodles come in both pastel and a neutral palette. By the way, I don't think I'm changing those very much because they're so tiny and any detail gets lost when they're so small. I might update them very, very slightly, but those are just easier to do. So any stock that I have left over, I'll just probably just add them into like freebies as people order, because I don't have a lot of stock in those as of right now. The initial goal is to do like 30 new releases and then do about like 20 new sheets at least every 2 weeks. So I think that should get them all back up at a reasonable time. Once I have a good number of sheets, they'll just get released to the shop and share to like the new release videos, and those go up every Friday, by the way, like the new release videos. So stay tuned for those. I'll like say new kit plus doodles if there are new ones. So yeah, those are going to be there. But to be honest, the doodles have kept me busy for weeks, so we'll see if it's not every 2 weeks or so. I do have a vendor event in May that I really want to have them all redesigned for. So that is my overall goal, to have them for that event, because I decided to redesign them, recently. So yeah, I'm just going to try to get as many done for that event. So they should also be going up as I design them. I think that's the initial goal. So stay tuned for those. If you have a specific sheet in mind, I will probably make it. Again, not accounting for like the seasonal things, those will just go up. Once I have the seasonal ones designed or like redone, they'll just go up, like all at once. And I'll probably just do like a bundle for those as well. So stay tuned for those. I'll probably do a bundle. Okay, so other than that, I need to do shop organization things. It's kind of like things I do towards the beginning of the month. So if I have time this week, I'll like start that process. It's not a very long process. It's just more like keeping things tidy on my end. So like make the shipping station like tidy, make the freebie samplers for April, have those ready, refill the paper, like envelopes or like any papers that I have. Make sure that we don't need to order cellos for like packing orders and things like that. Like things I have in the back stock, because I do have a bunch of things, like put away like in the garage and in cabinets that's, you know, that's not in the office until I like need a refill. So I just kind of like do that once a month. And this month I think I need to make more of the wax seals that I was using to add to the envelopes instead of washi. So just to give it a bit of an extra touch. So I need to make more sometime this week. Also, I need to make more the paper clips. The gold paper clips finally came in like a couple days ago. So now that they're in, I have to like go and make the bow paper clips. You know, it's just part of the duties as a shop owner. So yeah, it's a busy week and April is here basically. So I want to know what you guys do at the start of the new month. I know people do specific things. It's just kind of like one of those things that goes in my mind where, oh, it's the new month. I need to like, you know, refill this, check on this. Do I need to order anything, you know, like for the month type of thing? And then, you know, do like the freebies and all of that. So that's what goes on in my mind when a new month is coming. And I don't think I've ever mentioned this, but it's also why my $2 Tuesdays start the second Tuesday of the month, because the first week of the month is like so compact, you know, like I do certain things that I'd rather like have them all done and I don't have to worry about something else. So like I have a specific routine, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Also, first week of the month was also confetti orders or confetti boxes like getting shipped out, and I haven't done those in a while. So if you guys want those to come back, let me know. I know I stopped doing them because I think it was mostly because of COVID, and I only did like the anniversary boxes. If you want like a sticker kit, just have like the sticker kit and not actually have, you know, extra things that like match and stuff, because those took a while. And I wasn't able to like get anything ordered, or because, you know, stores were closed because of COVID. I could just make it the kit only, I guess. And that way I can also draw things. Okay, I'm on a tangent right now, but if you guys want confetti boxes or confetti kits, I guess, to come back, let me know. Maybe I can just do it like bi-monthly, because that way I have 2 months to draw something and then ship it out, but you guys can actually see what it is and can still order it. I can also, I guess, bring out the old versions, because now some of these have been out for like 5 or 6 years, and I know there's a lot of new people who never got the old ones, so I will try to get some out. I think that's what we're going to do. I think it's been so long that I can revamp them a little bit, and they're, you know, they were old in the old format, old paper. I think I can do that. So I'm off on a tangent right now. Who cares? So if you're watching or listening, this is how my brain works. I am literally talking out loud what is going on in my head. Like, okay. So whoever is listening, we're going to do it, because why not? I have to go find my old files. I know I did lose a lot of files. When was it, like in 2018, 2017? I can't remember. It was a few years back. I literally lost 3 months of work, and because my computer crashed and my hard drive crashed, like the external hard drive that I had for my laptop, which had everything in it, was gone. So everything I had worked on for 3 months was just gone. I have to go dig through like a whole bunch of hard drives, but I think we can make things work. Okay, so we're going to do that. Anyway, I think I have talked for way too long, so I'm going to cut it here. Hopefully you guys have a great April. Great month. Let me know what you guys do at the beginning of the month, just because I'm curious to know. So yeah, that is it. I will talk to you guys next time. Thank you for watching or listening on my tangents, and that is it for today. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Make sure you subscribe for more videos. New releases are always on Fridays, and those videos go up too, so you guys can see what has been released. So that is it, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye, everyone.